My name is Allison Shultz, and I am Assistant Curator of the Ornithology Department, which means birds. So as someone who's been a fantasy buff for my entire life, I'm really excited to think about dragons and how they might be inspired by actual creatures in the natural world. Another similarity when you think about dragons, dragons don't have feathers like birds do, they have scales, but they do also both lay eggs. Here I've got a few different types of bird eggs. Dragon eggs are pretty big, but compared to the size of the dragons, they're actually pretty small. And so just like that, birds actually grow really fast and can come from pretty small eggs. So this is an ostrich egg. So you can see for the size of an ostrich, the ostrich has quite a long way to grow after it hatches. So this ostrich egg is pretty smooth. You can see it's got a few pores here, but when you feel it, it feels almost like a smooth stone or something like that. Here I've got an emu egg. Looks a little bit like an avocado, but it has kind of a bumpy texture. When this egg is fresh, it actually looks kind of more like a turquoise green, very beautiful. Now on the show, the dragon eggs have scales on them, and no bird makes scales like that. And another thing we can talk about are egg color. So in the show, the dragon eggs are all different colors, which corresponds to the different colors of dragons. Now in birds, eggs are much more similar within a species. So what do I mean by that? Well, all emu eggs are going to look kind of this turquoise color. We're not going to find white emu eggs, turquoise emu eggs, but we do across different bird species find a variety of colors. Here I've got a couple of eggs from birds called tinamoos. This one is an elegant crested tinamoo. This one's a spotted tinamoo. And they have some of the most colorful eggs that we see in birds in general. So there are colorful eggs out there, but they are not within a species like in dragons. So now you can come down here to NHMLAC and see them for yourself. You can see some replica dragon eggs and some of the other props from the show in the House of the Dragon exhibition happening now, or come up here to the bird hall and see a few different bird eggs, including an elephant bird egg, which is the biggest one. So you can see what the biggest bird egg looks like in comparison to dragon eggs.